I'm very excited to help you work on your craft that will help you learn something about Russia today. You will be working on making an applique figure representing a Matryoshka, just a Russian word for nesting doll. You came home from the library with a kit that should look like this, and it will include all the elements that you need in order to make the craft happen. I'm going to go over them one by one. So in your kit, you will find a short sheet about the nesting dolls and how it's written in Russian also. You will have a blank with the shape of the doll that is going to look like this. And so you will notice that it'll be folded symmetrically halfway, so that this way, when you're done with designing, you can actually use it as a as a greeting card. It would, you can use it to to write something nice to somebody and give it to someone, and it will be a handmade greeting card like they've never received before. Then you will have a cutout of this shape, and Matryoshkas always wear a scarf around their head and around their neck. So this is the shape for that. Then there will be another shape with the floral pattern, and this is going to be the apron, because they're almost always painted with aprons as well. Then you will have the Matryoshka's face, okay? You will have a piece of pipe cleaner, and that is for the modification in case you want to turn your greeting card into a Christmas ornament as well. Christmas is going to be here before you know it. You can put this delightful thing on your Christmas tree. Okay, and then in your kit you will also find a glue stick and 2 tiny glue dots, which will help you better to attach the pipe cleaner to the paper if you so choose. Okay, so we have everything we need ready in front of us. The first thing that we're going to do is to attach the apron to the Matryoshka body. So we're going to take this blank and we're going to take the apron, and you will glue the back side of the apron with your glue stick, like so, and then attach it to one of the sides of the Matryoshka. And press it around. So right about here, you position it. So it's going to look like this. Okay, that was fast. Now we're ready for the next step, and the next step will be attaching the scarf, and that is going to go on top like this, overlay the apron. So I'm going to glue the back side of this around the edges with your glue stick, and then carefully position it, see, like this. Try to match the outlines of its shape with the outlines of the Matryoshka blank. Okay. And it should end up looking like this. Next, I'm going to attach the face of the Matryoshka over the scarf. And so it's going to go about here. Yeah. Now, the Matryoshka already has a face, but if for some reason you don't like it or you picture it differently, then what you can do is you take this, the circle with the face, flip it over, the back side is blank, and you can draw your own face. Also, I would recommend drawing some hair, okay, on this Matryoshka, because usually, people have hair, and so do Matryoshkas. And let me see. I know red hair is kind of rare in people, but I'm going to give this Matryoshka red hair. So I decided to do it like this, okay? So I just took a pen and very quickly drew some hair on her, but you can do a more thorough job. So look, our Matryoshka is ready, okay, to be used as a greeting card. Now, let's say that you want to turn it into a Christmas ornament. We need to attach the hanger, okay? So you take your 2 dots, and maybe an adult will need to help with this, maybe not. So you separate this film from the backing, okay? And then I recommend you put it on the back side in the upper corner like this. Now you're going to peel off the film, but the area with the circle will remain, you see, like that, so it's ready to stick. You have 2 squares included in your kit. Take the second square, just the same, attach it into the corner, press it firmly, peel the film so only a dot is left. So now we have both of our points of attachment ready. So then I'm going to take the end of the pipe cleaner and press it firmly against the dot here, okay? And I'm going to take the other end and press it against the other dot, like so. Look at that. We have our hanger ready. Now, all we need is a Christmas tree for this Matryoshka to go on. I hope you like this craft, and you are welcome to do so much more, of course. You can keep decorating her further. You can write down here that Matryoshka represents Russia. They are historically connected to Russia. They're very popular there. Everybody knows about them. They are a very common gift. So you can also make your own. You can draw your own blanks and find, usually they would be flowered patterns to set off against a single color solid background. You can draw your own face for her, and you can make a whole series, right? So for example, this could be the biggest one, and you can make smaller ones or larger ones on the opposite. So what I encourage you to do is to have a lot of fun with it, and maybe even decorate your whole Christmas tree. Thank you very much for your attention, and please check out our sister city of Zelenograd.